Hello and hi to Dr. Kumaran. We are from session M02 and today we will present about the case study of occupational safety and health regarding to chemical hazard that happened in Beirut on 4 August 2020. And then Nazmi will explain about the introduction and objectives.
So our aim of this case study is we will analyze the most common mistakes of OSH legislation provisions from the prosecution cases. Next is to determine the safety precaution of OSH legislation in the chemical storage industry. And the third aim is to generate ways to increase safety for the chemical storage industry. Next, Muiz will tell a bit of the background of Beirut.
Beirut is a capital and the largest city in Lebanon. It has a population of 2.2 million in 2014 that makes it the third largest city in Lebanon and the 13th largest city in Arab world. The area of capital city of Beirut is about 90.8 km square and the metro area is about 67 km square. The city is situated on a peninsula at the midpoint of Lebanon's Mediterranean coast, bounded to the north and the east by Syria and to the north to the south by Palestine. Beirut is a Lebanese seat of government and they play as a central role in Lebanon's economy, with several banks and companies based in the region. Beirut is a significant seaport for the country and the region, ranked by the Globalization and World City Research Network as a beta world city. Beirut became an established banking center for Arab West, much of which was invested in construction, commercial enterprise, and industry. The economy of Beirut is diverse, including publishing, banking, trade, and various industries. During that period, Beirut was the region's financial service center at the onset of the oil boom starting in 1960. Lebanon-based banks were the main recipient of the region's petrodollars. Beirut is one of the most cosmopolitan and religiously diverse cities of Lebanon and all of the Middle East. The city boasts significant Muslim and Christian communities. Briefly, Christian are 42% of Beirut, Muslim 52%, 5% Druze, and 1% others. And then we will continue with Nazmi about cause and prevention.
So the main cause of this explosion in Beirut is because of the chemical substance that is called ammonium nitrate. So ammonium nitrate is a chemical that reacts with the hydroxide of alkali metals. The nitrates of alkali metals are formed along the ammonia. So ammonium nitrate is very explosive chemical, which is upon heating, this compound decompose to form nitrous oxide and water. And this chemical can explode, which compound yields nitrogen, oxygen, and water as the byproduct. So Faris will tell more about the causes of
The causes of the explosion because of 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate and was stored unsafely at the warehouse in the port. And the second cause is the fire was started by welding work. The welding work has been carried on a hole in warehouse 12. So the fire appears the explosion of the ammonium nitrate. Okay, we will continue to Akmafik.
Alright, thank you, Faris. Hello and hi to everyone. My name is Muhammad Kamalafi bin Hamidun, and I will continue this presentation with safety precaution before handling chemicals. Alright, as we all know that chemicals have many of variety, that many of them are dangerous and toxic. Because of that, we must take a good care of our surrounding to ensure our healthy. First of all is follow step precaution before using it. Example of that is get a copy of MSDS and learn all about the properties of the chemical. Other than that is do not return chemical to their original packaging because an incompatible mixture may accidentally be found, right? Uh, Other than that is PPE must be applied to anyone that is handling chemical because PPE are the protection for us from getting acid gases or dangerous liquid get inside to our body. Last but not least is keep chemical containers closed because dust and vapor may escape from an open container while gas and suspended material may penetrate this, causing the nature of the chemical to change. Alright, we will continue with impact of the explosion. The explosion caused many bad impacts in surrounding areas, including politics in Lebanon. One of them is protests across Lebanon uh, because of protesters to change in the Lebanon government. Because of this, in the evening of 10 August, Hassan Diab has resigned from being prime minister and being replaced by Mustafa Adib to be a new prime minister. Second part is social impact. The explosion made a big impact, especially to local, because more than 70% of Beirut buildings were impacted. Other than that, electricity is one of the effect supplies when blackout continue to occur daily in affected areas. Food prices have also risen by 80% and the national currency has fallen by the same percentage. We will continue with economic impact. While a month has passed since Lebanon was left reeling from a colossal explosion, the country leadership and global recession at hand that Lebanon faced a massive funding gap. According to a new study by Strategy, formerly Booz and Company and the strategy consulting subsidiary of PwC, on top of immediate devastation of the explosion, the event has also left devastating crater in Lebanon already crumbling economy. Toting up the damage to infrastructure, business, housing and cultural and social costs of the blast strategy and has estimate that the bill stand at around 5 billion. Alright, that's all from us. Thank you for your time and have a nice day. Thank you, sir.